Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Camel meat offers a truly unique, lean, and surprisingly flavorful alternative to traditional proteins you might be used to. It's becoming more popular for its distinct, slightly gamey taste, which many find quite appealing. Cultures worldwide value it not just for its nutritional benefits, but also for its rich, earthy flavor profile that really stands out on any plate. You might be surprised by its versatility in various dishes. Embracing this exotic cut certainly opens up a whole new world of culinary adventure and delicious possibilities for your kitchen. When selecting camel meat, always aim for younger animals, as their meat tends to be much more tender and less gamey. Before you begin cooking, it is crucial to trim away any excess fat and silver skin. These parts can become quite tough and chewy if left on. To ensure maximum tenderness and flavor, marinate the meat for at least several hours, or even better, overnight. A good marinade will break down the fibers, making for a much more enjoyable meal. For camel meat, slow cooking methods are absolutely your best friend. These techniques are perfect for gently breaking down the meat's fibers, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender. Think about braising it slowly in a flavorful liquid, creating a hearty stew, or even using a pressure cooker for quicker results. If you are preparing a larger roast, cooking it at a lower temperature for a longer time will help retain all its natural moisture and deepen its unique flavor. To truly enhance camel meat's rich and somewhat earthy profile, selecting the right spices is key. Aromatic herbs and robust, grounding spices work beautifully. Consider incorporating cumin, coriander, and turmeric for a warm, fragrant base. Adding bay leaves or a touch of cardamom can introduce wonderful complexity. When planning your meal, pairing the meat with hearty root vegetables or robust grains like couscous or bulgur will create a perfectly balanced and deeply satisfying culinary experience. When serving camel meat, choose sides that complement its unique taste without overpowering it. Creamy mashed potatoes, fluffy couscous, or even a vibrant, fresh salad can provide a lovely contrast and complete your meal beautifully. Don't be afraid to experiment with various recipes, whether it is a rich tagine, a slow-cooked stew, or even grilled skewers. Discovering your personal favorite way to enjoy this exotic protein is part of the fun. Enjoy your delicious adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.